Hackers use various techniques to break into accounts, and understanding these methods is the first step in protecting yourself. One of the most common tactics is phishing, where hackers send fake emails or messages that appear to come from trusted sources, tricking users into entering their passwords on fraudulent websites. Another method is brute force attacks, in which hackers employ automated tools to guess passwords by trying thousands or even millions of combinations. Additionally, they rely on credential stuffing, which involves taking stolen usernames and passwords from previous data breaches and using them to access other accounts, especially if users reuse passwords across multiple sites. Malware and keyloggers pose another major threat. These malicious programs can secretly record everything a user types, including login credentials, and send them directly to hackers. Hackers also exploit social engineering, manipulating victims into willingly giving away their passwords through deception or psychological tricks. Session hijacking is another advanced technique where hackers intercept an active login session, allowing them to gain access to an account without needing a password. Furthermore, some attackers take advantage of security vulnerabilities in websites, applications, or databases to extract sensitive user information. Whether through stealing passwords, exploiting system weaknesses, or deceiving users, hackers have many ways to take control of accounts. The best defense is to stay informed, use strong and unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and remain cautious of suspicious messages and websites. Understanding how these attacks work can help you recognize the warning signs and protect yourself from becoming the next victim. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. See you in the next one.